Welcome back to Car Craze. Today, we have something incredibly exciting to talk about: the return of one of the most iconic cars in automotive history, the 2025 Citroën 2CV. For car enthusiasts and fans of French automotive history, the 2CV is a beloved model that made a lasting impact on the world of cars. And now, after decades of dormancy, Citroën is reviving this legendary vehicle with a modern twist, merging its retro charm with the latest in automotive technology and design. The Citroën 2CV first hit the roads in 1948 and became an instant symbol of practicality and innovation. Designed to be an affordable car for rural French families, the 2CV was all about simplicity, efficiency, and a no-frills driving experience. Fast forward to today, and the 2025 Citroën 2CV is set to bring all that nostalgia back while delivering a modern driving experience. So, let's dive into what makes this 2025 version so special. Starting with the design, it's clear that Citroën is paying homage to the original 2CV while updating it for the modern era. The exterior retains the unmistakable silhouette that made the 2CV a classic. The curvy, bulbous body is instantly recognizable, with its charming, minimalist lines and a roof that slopes gently back toward the rear of the car. While keeping the retro vibe intact, Citroën has also added subtle contemporary touches that modernize the look without losing any of the car's original character. One of the most notable features of the 2025 Citroën 2CV is its unique front end. The headlights are round, just like the original, but with a sleeker, more refined design. The grille is small and simple, featuring the signature Citroën chevron logo right in the center, and the overall front design exudes a playful, approachable vibe that makes the 2CV look both charming and modern. The new 2CV also comes in a variety of fun, bold colors, making it even more customizable and appealing to a wide range of drivers. Moving on to the interior, Citroën has blended retro elements with modern functionality. Inside the 2025 2CV, you'll find a minimalist dashboard with clean lines and a focus on simplicity. The classic gauge cluster has been reworked into a digital display, adding a modern touch while still maintaining the vintage feel of the original car. The steering wheel is small and round, just like the original, giving drivers a direct connection to the car's roots. However, it's also ergonomically designed, offering comfort and control during longer drives. While the cabin retains the 2CV's minimalist spirit, it's far from bare bones. Citroën has ensured that the 2025 2CV comes equipped with all the necessary modern amenities, including a user-friendly infotainment system, Bluetooth connectivity, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The seats are comfortable and made from eco-friendly materials, giving the car a sustainable edge while also ensuring passengers enjoy a pleasant ride. Despite the compact size of the 2CV, the cabin feels surprisingly spacious, with enough room for two adults in the front and a surprisingly generous amount of cargo space in the back. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 Citroën 2CV may be a throwback to the past, but it's definitely not stuck in it when it comes to performance. The car is available with a variety of powertrains, including electric and hybrid options, making it more eco-friendly and practical for the modern driver. The electric version is perhaps the most exciting of the bunch. With a compact electric motor delivering smooth, instant torque, the 2CV offers a quiet and efficient driving experience. The electric 2CV also comes with a reasonable driving range, ideal for city commutes and short road trips. For those who prefer a bit more traditional power, the hybrid version combines a small internal combustion engine with an electric motor, giving you the best of both worlds. It offers greater range and flexibility, particularly for longer trips, without sacrificing the car's efficiency. The hybrid powertrain is designed to be smooth and unobtrusive, providing the quiet, enjoyable driving experience that the 2CV is known for, while still delivering respectable power when you need it. As for the traditional gasoline engine, Citroën is offering a small, fuel-efficient engine that fits the 2CV's personality perfectly. While it's not designed for speed or high-performance driving, the engine offers just enough power for city driving and occasional longer trips, all while keeping fuel consumption low. It's a perfect choice for those who want a more classic driving experience, with the unmistakable sound and feel of a combustion engine, but still want to benefit from modern efficiency. No matter which powertrain option you choose, the 2025 Citroën 2CV offers a driving experience that is both fun and practical. Its lightweight design and nimble handling make it incredibly easy to drive, especially in tight urban environments. The car's suspension system is tuned to provide a smooth ride, even on rougher roads, which was one of the hallmarks of the original 2CV. You'll still feel like you're driving something simple and unpretentious, yet comfortable and enjoyable. Citroën has also equipped the 2025 2CV with modern safety features, which is something that the original car, with its Spartan design, lacked. The new 2CV comes standard with features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and a rear-view camera, helping to ensure that drivers and passengers are safe on the road. The car's compact size and low profile make it particularly maneuverable, allowing you to easily navigate through tight spaces and city streets. And while the 2025 model may not be built for high-speed performance, it's still more than capable of handling everyday driving situations with ease. Now, when it comes to pricing, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is aimed at the affordable end of the market. Citroën wants to make sure that this iconic car remains accessible to a wide audience, just like the original model. The electric and hybrid variants are priced slightly higher than the traditional gasoline version, but all versions remain competitively priced, especially considering the modern technology and features they offer. For anyone who's looking for an affordable, fun, and sustainable car that still carries a bit of nostalgia, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is an excellent option. And let's not forget the impact that the original Citroën 2CV had on automotive history. For over 4 decades, the 2CV was a symbol of practicality and ingenuity, particularly in rural areas of France. It was a car that was easy to repair, cheap to maintain, and reliable in all kinds of weather. It became a cultural icon, representing the spirit of post-war France, and it was loved by millions of drivers around the world. Now, with the 2025 model, Citroën has not only preserved that legacy but also brought it into the 21st century, ensuring that a new generation of drivers can enjoy the charm of the 2CV. To sum it up, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is a perfect blend of retro nostalgia and modern technology. With its timeless design, efficient powertrains, and fun driving experience, the 2CV is an incredibly compelling option for anyone looking for a car with character and personality. Whether you're a fan of classic cars or just someone who appreciates simple, efficient driving, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is sure to bring a smile to your face. Thanks for joining us today to learn all about the 2025 Citroën 2CV. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Craze for more car reviews, news, and insights. We'll see you in the next one.